When the term climate change is spoken, many people think solely about global warming, polar ice caps melting, and the various weather changes associated with this phenomenon. However, climate change affects more than just the atmosphere and Earth's surface. Here we will take a look at the effects of climate change on the oceans, in particular at a condition known as ocean acidification. Ocean acidification is the change in the acidity of the ocean brought on by lowered pH levels. The oceans are constantly absorbing and releasing atmospheric levels of carbon dioxide in order to maintain stable levels in both environments, but the ocean can only hold so much carbon dioxide at any given time. When the ocean absorbs carbon dioxide, it reacts with water to form carbonic acid, which then donates a hydrogen atom to existing carbonate molecules to form bicarbonate, which is not broken down easily.
Many marine organisms, such as corals, utilize the carbonate in the ocean by combining it with calcium to form calcium carbonate, which then strengthens their tissues. When the supply of carbonate ions is limited, corals cannot form the calcium carbonate necessary to make their hard structures. There are various outcomes for organisms such as coral reefs if they are not able to form calcium carbonate, including decreased skeletal density, stress, decreased reproduction levels, and ultimately a smaller and less diverse coral population. While there have not yet been significant changes to calcifiers in other organisms, there are many future implications that will arise if something is not done now.
If our carbon emissions remain at a constant rate over the next 70 years, mineralization of tropical reef-building corals will be reduced by 20 to 60%. Studies have shown that coral reefs with a slightly lower pH show dramatically reduced diversity, but most importantly, also show a loss of the structurally complex and beautiful corals that provide habitats for the majority of reef life. If we are to preserve the biodiversity of not only marine life, but the rest of the planet as well, it is important to act now to reduce carbon dioxide emissions. Not only will ocean life be negatively affected by climate change, but the entire planet will face significant changes that will lead to destruction of life as we know it.